The HTGR concept was designed almost 70 years ago and proven functional during further developments in the UK, Japan, Germany, South Africa, China, and the USA. The HTGR is a gas-cooled reactor and provides reliable baseload energy without the need of water for cooling the core of the reactor, which makes this technology easy to install wherever you need it. It has a very small footprint, and the average plant would usually cover no more than 100 meters by 200 meters. This plant layout includes expansion for up to 4 modular reactor units, as well as a storage facility for all the spent fuel that this plant will generate in its lifetime of around 40 to 60 years. It emits very low or no carbon emissions during the operation of the reactor. The high-temperature reactor can provide residual heat above 900 degrees centigrade and could be utilized for other purposes such as the manufacturing of fertilizer, hydrogen, which will then in return ultimately influence the LCOE in a very positive way. The reactor uses triso fuel, which is practically impossible to use for any other purpose than what it was manufactured for. This makes the reactor fuel very safe against misappropriation. The HTGR SMR is the perfect candidate to add to the mainstream mix of baseload energy providers. Research and development is currently being done to make the LCOE comparable with other fossil fuel type reactors or generators and the likes of some cheaper renewable energy providers. Australia can go immediately to the cleanest, most economic versatile nuclear technology available today, which is represented by the new Gen4 reactors. Australia has a high percentage of all the global uranium resources to its disposal and could become involved in the manufacturing of reactor fuels in the future as well. Australia is a safe, geopolitically stable country in comparison with some other locations where nuclear fuel is processed and made. Qualified academical and engineering experts are available and to our disposal to make us a major player in the Gen4 nuclear environment. Well, firstly, Wesfort's research and development is in line with all international acceptable standards. Local MPs and the public are now more than ever accepting the benefits of Gen4 nuclear energy and willing to adopt this technology if the choice was theirs to make. There is also a lot more reliable information available today, which the government can use to make informed decisions. The need for clean, green, reliable baseload energy will become critical very quickly when it starts affecting people's daily lives and the production of high energy consuming industries. The high temperature gas-cooled reactor has also been accepted into the federal government's energy roadmap as a possible nuclear energy solution for the future of Australia. Wesfort's strategic development and planning will focus on bringing baseload energy solutions other than just electricity to the market and high energy dependent industries. In speaking to politicians of various political persuasions, we have been encouraged by the growing level of understanding and enthusiasm for exploring Gen4 SMRs. And although these are mostly private opinions in the current political landscape, it will become the foundation of future change when the consequences and benefits become clear to the general public. Well, Gen4 nuclear has a higher upfront cost than most fossil fuel power generators, but The LCOE aggressively declines over time once the establishment cost of the reactor has been dealt with. The cost consideration becomes less of a problem when you focus on the energy problems that can be resolved for the foreseeable and long-term future without adding any harmful CO2 emissions. The Gen4 high-temperature gas-cooled reactor could be designed into a pebble bed or a prismatic core configuration depending on application or by design choice. It is walk-away safe, which means that no external intervention is needed in a serious malfunction scenario. As it does not need water as a coolant or a moderator, it could be built wherever it is geographically needed. Many high energy consuming industries would function better if not depending on grid connectivity. The reactor utilizes triser fuel, which enhances the effective level of fuel management as well as the percentage burn-up of the fuel in the reactor during operation. The HTGR is a modular factory-built unit and can be multiplied on-site by adding more SMR units to acquire the desired energy output needed for any specific reactor. For example, if one module produces 100 megawatt ton, then 10 modules will equal an output of 1,000 megawatt ton or 1 gigawatt ton. The SMR module is small enough to be pre-manufactured and prefabricated and then shipped to the site that was specifically designed and prepared for its installation. This modular prefabrication limits the uncontrolled blowout of budgets that many older type nuclear plants became synonymous with. Well, our team has diverse and complementary skills with the ideal experience in legal matters, infrastructure development, politics, finance, and business development. Wesfort has secured many international associates and has access to international research facilities for the development of further technologies relating and complementing Gen4 technology. Wesfort has the vision and skill to bring together companies and governments who are in need of the energy solutions that the Gen4 reactor offers. Wesfort has the capabilities to establish research and development facilities in Australia as and when the need arises. Wesfort furthermore has a wide, clear view of the bigger picture and also the technical applications for this technology and its application. We at Wesfort have a mission, and that is to conduct further research and development maximizing the residual heat of the reactor. That could lower the LCOE and in return benefit all users and recipients of this reactor's energy. We established AGNEF, which is the Australian Gen4 Nuclear Energy Forum. AGNEF has a vision to support the development of a high-tech Gen4 nuclear industry in Australia and internationally. This will be essential for the development of future improvements to this technology in a manner that will benefit all walks of life. AGNEF will exist to create a platform where all like-minded entities, as well as industry, who will be depending on this type of energy can come together under one roof to discuss the complexities and solutions associated with Gen4 nuclear reactors. At Wesfort, we believe that industry should play a major role in the establishment of avenues to serve their immediate communities, not only to keep the environment healthy, but also in a tangible manner. Our focus at Wesfort will be on the youth and the elderly and supporting them towards a better life and a better life quality. We will deal with issues such as aged care and youth substance abuse because we want to be part of building a healthier and more functional society. At the same time, we also want to honor God and His blessings towards us by supporting the disadvantaged, which is also close to God's heart. If you want to join with Wesfort in this mission or partner with us in this endeavor, please visit our website wesfort.com.au and get in contact with us. We would love to hear from you and how you would like to get involved. Together, we can make a difference and create a better future for everyone and our children that will come after us.